If your Infiniti QX60 is refusing to launch Apple CarPlay, don't head to the dealership just yet. Believe it or not, 85% of connection issues are solved by simply swapping your charging cable. Let's walk through the exact steps to get your screen mirroring again. Start with a hard reboot of the InTouch system by holding the power knob until the screen goes dark. On your iPhone, make sure Siri is enabled and that CarPlay isn't restricted under screen time settings. Inspect your phone's charging port for pocket lint, which often prevents a solid data connection. Depending on your model year, you are dealing with either a physical cable handshake or a wireless Wi-Fi sync. Statistically, a fresh Apple-branded cable fixes the issue for over half of all Infiniti owners. If it still won't connect, delete the pairing on both the car and the phone and start fresh. Keep an official Apple cable in your center console, specifically for CarPlay use. Remember, modern infotainment systems are just computers that occasionally need a hard reset. If these steps helped you get back on the road, hit subscribe for more Infiniti troubleshooting tips.